Can you see that? No. You got to get closer. There you go. This is what 2 hours worth of drawing did to my pencil tip. In comparison, this is what it should look like. Now you can see it's been worn down to a point, and I'm going to have to change this now just to make sure we don't damage the Apple Pencil underneath. But let me explain how this happened. When you get your Apple Pencil, you get one tip that's included, and I bought mine back in 2020. In that time, I've used a handful of screen covers from different companies, and this month I noticed that my original tip had worn down and it was time to get another one. Now this is where it all goes wrong. I rushed to Amazon and bought 4 tips for just £10 or roughly $10 because I planned to film a tutorial the next day. Now this was actually the longest tutorial I'd ever shot at just over 2 hours, and you can see that over on Patreon. And after I'd finished recording my tutorial, I'd noticed that the replacement tip has actually worn as much as my Apple Pencil original tip had done in 2 years, but in just 2 hours. Now I've learnt my lesson and I've picked myself up some Apple replacement tips for £20, which with my usage should actually last me a couple of years based off the original tip. Now the lesson has been learnt. Don't buy the cheap ones off of Amazon trying to get a quick and easy deal. Buy the Apple replacement ones. They're a lot more solid, the plastic's a lot thicker, and they'll last you a lot longer. Thanks for watching this little rant about some cheap tips. Drop a like down below and I'll see you in the next one.